of Nungua Warehouse Ghana Limited. Nungua Warehouse Ghana Limited is a Ghanaian wholly owned indigenous company founded and managed by our current CEO, Mr. Okley, with other minority shareholders such as myself, Nungua Otoo, and Ms. Yolanda Otoo, our legal company secretary. We initially started this business as uprising industry, an alcoholic beverage manufacturing company. After 17 years in the blending industry, Mr. Okley, being a visionary entrepreneur, noticed a challenge in their industry, which was the rarity of ethanol for the manufacturing companies. He therefore decided to embark on this journey to import, warehouse and distribute ethanol to Ghana. The outcome of this decision is Nungua Warehouse Ghana Limited. Incorporated on 30th April 2006, the company has developed to be the leading distributors of ethanol in Ghana, Togo and other West African countries. Being our first branch and currently the Accra Profit Center headed by myself, Mr. Nungua Warehouse, holding executive masters in entrepreneurial management and an award in excellence in business management by Biz America. We currently have a blue molding machine made by our sister company Nungua Plastic Molding, also owned by Mr. Otoo, which we use to manufacture our own customized HDPE 250-liter drums for the bottling and branding of our ethanol. The future of this business is to start manufacturing our own ethanol here in Ghana to help bring more jobs and also reduce importation, which will go a long way to help the city appreciate against the dollar in this country. With this in mind, we have made a bold step to invest millions of dollars by entering a partnership with Sinostone from Singapore, acquire a 10,000-acre land at Drapo in the Volta region to start this project. We have currently planted cassava over 5,000 acres of land and signing contracts with other farmers to supply us more dry cassava chips for the production of ethanol. This project should be completed mid-next year, with our first production expected in July 2021.
My name is Banabotea here, manager of Nungua Plastic Molding. I'm here to take you through the process of how to produce the customized 150-liter NWGL drums. So this is the first process of how to produce the customized NWGL 250-liter drums. First of all, we have two different types of material, which is the TR571 and the TR1500. And the colorant, which is the master badge, which gives us the blue color. So this is the mixing machine. We first of all makes 3 of the 571 and the 1 of the 1500 and 1 kg of the master badge. So from there, after the mixing, it draws straight from here to the hooper. The mixing materials comes into the hooper, and this is the heating process. As you can see from here, it goes straight from here inside the head. The material goes inside the head, that's where it melts. It comes into the mold, which forms the 250-liter NWGL customized drum. And from there, we have the cooling process. So after the 3 minutes cooling, we get our freshly baked, customized NWGL drum, which you can see the logo from here. So this is the cutting machine, and this is the grinding machine. After every defect drum, we cut it from here and we grind it. So this is the recycling process. So this is the ejection machine, which we use to produce the covers for the 250-liter customized Nungua Warehouse drums. So these are the materials we use. This is the PP Kupo and the white master badge. So it's the same process as the blue molding, but this one is a little bit different because of the smaller size.
You are welcome to Nungua Warehouse Ghana Limited Thermal Operations. I'm Engineer Alistair Otoo, and I'm the branch manager of Nungua Warehouse Thermal Operations. Activities here are engineering oriented, and the transfer of fluids from one pipeline to the other pipeline are directed by principles of fluid dynamics and transferability of fluids. The tank farm facility is connected to the vessel berthing point at a distance of 1.8 kilometers. When the vessel berths, there are expected protocols that are supposed to be carried out by the Ghana Health Service and the Ghana Port Service to ensure that the certificate of analysis from the supplier conforms with what is on board. The product from the vessel is being transferred into our storage tank facilities, and with the Nungua Tank Farm facility, it's an ultra-modern tank farm facility which is equipped with different instruments such as the deep hatch system, the electric pressure transducer, the sprinkler effect, the boom draw, the deluge systems, the no return valve, and the master valve located at the base of the tank farm facility. After the products are transferred into the tank farm, the product finally moves from the tank farm facility into the pump house by the aid of a Crowell injection pump. After the products are pumped through the Crowell injection pump, they finally are displaced into the loading gantry. And at the loading gantry, there are two equipment located at the loading gantry, which are the analog dispenser and the digital dispenser. The analog dispenser has a maximum flow rate of 60,000 liters per hour, where the digital dispenser has a maximum flow rate of 100,000 liters per hour. The analog dispenser dispenses the product into the customized Nungua Warehouse 250-liter drums, or the digital dispenser dispenses the product into our bulk road vehicles, and the final products are transported into our various branches for retailing.
What we do differently from our competitors always remains a mystery, but from what you can see, planning and exceptional leadership has a major role to play in our success story. We always make sure that our bankers, customers, and suppliers are always happy with our business and work ethics, of which we have a lot of international and local awards to back it up. Nungua Warehouse, Ghana Limited.